Welcome to tonight's daily cipher code. As usual, to activate the daily cipher, you have to click on N per tab 3 times. 1, 2, 3. So that will activate this dashboard. So our daily cipher today, the Morse code for today, let's begin to decipher it. Alright, the first one is A, which is a dot and a dash. That is short tap and one long press. So this is tap and long. So that is A. The next one is I, which is double tap or short tap twice. Okay, the next one is R, which is short, long, short. Alright, the third one is long, short, short. Alright, I believe you know where we are heading to already with this first 4 letter. So our Morse code for tonight is airdrop. So the next one is R, just like we have it in the third character. So R is short, long, short. Alright, the next one is O, which is 3 long tap, 3 long tap. The thing is, once you miss any of these letters, it's going to restart all over again. So you have to be very careful that you don't do the short press for too long or the long press for too long, so that you don't have to restart again. Alright, the last letter here is P, which is short, long, long, short. So we have short, long, long, short. And with that, we have cracked the code and we've gotten our 1 million daily cipher for today.